Hi all, Blood Biker Billy here. Just letting you know an end of a era for my Honda ADV 350. Love this bike. I've decided to change it, so I've taken the top box off, as you can see. Loved it. It's done 16,253. Just put a new belt on it, etc. So yeah, really good. Really pleased with it. And let's get it started for the last time. So yeah, you know, I've enjoyed it. So I'll update you a bit later of what bike I decided to go for. Ride safe all. Catch you all soon. Bye bye, take care.